Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be beautifying this beret, and this is my item to beautify it. So we need stone, we need all the embellishment items. So keep watching and learning as I put them, position them, and use my hot glue gun to glue them. Okay, and at the end it came out beautifully. Okay, so this is a DIY course, okay, or tutorial, so that you can know how to embellish your beret. Okay, instead of buying those in the market, you can simply get your beret, plain beret in the market, and also get the embellishment. You can embellish it with anything of your choice. So this is exactly what my client wants, and she want me to use it for her. You can see my glue gun. So trying to glue the stones, okay, these crystal stones, okay. So you can use any gum, okay, any gum of your choice to glue, but I'm using hot glue gum. This makes it for me stay longer and not falling off from the client. Okay, so keep watching and learning, and if you have any question of the names of the things I use, you can drop it in the comment section. So feel free to ask your question in the comments. I'll be right there waiting for you. Thank you guys, and if today is your first time of stopping by on this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn off your notification bell so you know when I upload new videos, new tutorials. Okay, thank you guys. I love you. Take care and bye bye. Keep watching and learning. Thank you. Bye bye.